The hoes gon' love this. The hoes gon' love this.
Shawty know I kill people, real people from the trenches where it's real lethal. So real legal, big body with your bill boy, ill boy, nigga need to find his chill boy. Yeah, shawty know I kill people, real people from the trenches where it's real lethal. So real legal, big body with your bill boy, ill boy, nigga need to find his chill boy. Phone them tweaking, we gon' show it that's a real boy. Yeah, fuck them tweaking, I'ma bust him up. Yeah, fuck them tweaking, I'ma bust him up. Fuck them tweaking, I'ma bust him up. It won't say that's little bro. I say don't my throat. How I ball, you think I went pro? I'm in the hood, Briscoe. She showed me a gun, Cisco. She's hot and ready to go. I'm hungrier than a hippo. Ain't no fan, I get low. Got a new scope and it got zooms. And I'm in that yo. Baby, I know you smell that fume. Just get down, you hit that bone. Bag it back. And this bitch got one, magazine got color shells, half green, half blue, smoking on that cook. Someone bring me a pot, diamonds don't get hot, and they really from them blocks. Hey pussy, here we come, if you ready or not. I'm probation, but I'm so blocks. The quarter smell like pot. Shawty know I kill people, real people from the trenches where it's real lethal. So real legal, big body with your bill boy, ill boy, nigga need to find his chill boy. Yeah. Shawty know I kill people, real people from the trenches where it's real lethal. So real legal, big body with your bill boy, ill boy, nigga need to find his chill boy. Phone them tweaking, we gon' show it that's a real boy. Yeah, fuck them tweaking, I'ma bust him up. Yeah, fuck them tweaking, I'ma bust him up. Fuck them tweaking, I'ma bust him up.
I see the setup. Can't even see that. Camera. I looked up, I was like, where the fuck you put it?
I wish my life was perfect. I ain't out looking for love, and that bitch really hurting. Been going up, got all them fuck niggas on my circle. Fuck these 100 bands, I'm spending that shit on my wrist. You don't think I
The hoes gon' love this.